Duha ka adlaw usapay sa ulog ang Kalag-Kalag dinhi sa Sugbu. Andam na ang mga pantalan aron isiguro ang seguridad sa mga pasahero nga mobiyahe ngadto sa ilang lain-laing probinsya. Gani dinhi sa Pier 3 gisugdan niadtong October 21 ang pagbutang og mga help desk isip parte sa programang Oplan Ligtas Biyahe.
The Sugbu Port Authority has laid down plans and programs for the upcoming Oplan Kaluluwa. It's actually in line with the Department of Transportation and Communications directive to put up security measures at the ports, especially in times of the undas, which is the normally ang ato adiri sa Kalag-Kalag. And we have coordinated with other law enforcement agencies to secure the passengers. We are anticipating a huge influx of outgoing passengers starting today even and until maybe at the end of this week. So first, we have installed passenger help desks at every passenger terminals. So we also have medical stations especially for those who have medical concerns, especially the elderly. And then we have deployed canines, yes, to help us in detecting contraband. And then an ambulance is, we are tapping the help also of our allied services at the port, like the cargo handlers help. Especially the OPASCOR, they have volunteered to send in an ambulance to be stationed at Pier 3 for emergency cases.
Kining Oplan Ligtas Biyahe nga help desk magpabilin dinhi hangtod November 4.
The Sugbu Port Authority is coordinating closely with the Philippine Coast Guard and also even with the Cebu City Police. So it is a coordinative effort between agencies.
Kini si Armie Garde para sa Sunstar Webcast.